welcome to Anchor Network, where you get updated news of things happening around you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, I would like and encourage you to subscribe so that you get updated news as soon as we publish them. Oshomole was advised to take the honorable path and step aside from his position in the party and gave room for improvement of the damage done by him. Senator Lawal Shaibu, Deputy National Chairman of the All Progressives Congress, has asked Adams Oshomole, National Chairman of the party, to resign from his position for being unable to add to the value of the party. In a letter to Oshomole dated May 27, 2019, Shaibu blamed Oshomole for APC's loss in Zamfara. Oshomole was advised to take the honorable path and step aside from his position in the party and gave room for improvement of the damage done by him. The letter titled APC, Its Fortunes versus Misfortunes, Time to Act, reads, I write this letter to you with very deep heart and high sense of responsibility. I write this letter thinking because I am a critical stakeholder in the APC project. I write this letter with my hands shaking, arising from the realizing of myself being involved in a project that is currently seen as failing. Even before achieving the ambition of its founding fathers, I never found myself in any failed project. In advanced democracy, people who fail to add value or build over and above what they met on assumption of duty show civilized examples. They honorably bow out. In that connection, therefore, I want to advise you to take the path of honor, to step aside and allow the party to embark on the onerous task of reconstruction and rehabilitation in those states it was weakened by the effects of manner the last primary election exercises were conducted, or even the task of recreating the party where it is on the path of extinction arising from the loss of a sitting APC government, for example in Zamfara, where you directly personally created the problem leading to the painful complete loss of APC's electoral fortunes. From up to down, all these are uncontestable facts. You cannot exonerate yourself from blame on what happened to APC Zamfara State, thereby destroying the hopes and aspirations of 534,541 APC members and supporters. If this letter scales through, it will be so disastrous and will be pathetic for Adams Oshomole, to be pushed out of APC. Like in one of my videos, a lot of things that the APC themselves caused themselves. They brought the problem upon themselves. I was saying it because Oshomole was blowing hot that they didn't get justice from the court, that the court imposed PDP, a strange party, on the people of Zamfara. When you actually know that it was your problem from the party within that caused the whole thing, not because of anything. It was not even based on election malpractices, but because of your internal problem. And I think he was trying to put the blame on other people. But now that they themselves, the party members, they know quite all right that the problem is from them. His assistant is advising him to step down because it's really a big loss. It has never really happened that a party will lose a whole state after winning. Their actions have caused a lot of damages that cannot be repaired. A lot of people political careers, has been ruined. So it's going to be a very, very big loss, and they cannot contest it. And that was why it resulted to God. So I don't know what you guys think about this resignation that is being asked to do. Do you think they will intervene on his behalf, or the party as a whole might want him to go? It was before election they brought this issue of, for him to resign. But a lot of things really happened. They had to patch everything up, because if he had resigned then, or if he had resigned before that election, it would have been more disastrous than what we have now. So since the election is over, I think the job they have brought him to do is done it, and it's just 50-50. Somehow the party gain, somehow they lost. I would like you to put your comment down. Thank you very much. Bye.